I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up and get going with Olis Connect. It's a product for people who want to be able to control the robot from anywhere they are. So let's say you're trying to run lights out manufacturing such that there's no one there at night when the robots are running by themselves, or you simply don't have enough robot technicians to go around. This could be the solution for you. So let's just take a look at what you need to be able to set up Olis Connect for your robot. I'm going to use my robot here. It's a UR5 running Marble Run application that I just set up for demo purposes. And I set it up with this hardware. This is what the Olis Connect starter kit comes with. It's an industrial fanless PC that we call the Olis Connect IPC. And it also comes with a set of industrial video cameras and lenses and also mounts. So in this case, I mounted one of the cameras far away to get more of an overview. I have the middle camera is looking at where the robot is picking up the marbles. And I also at the bottom have a wrist camera. So the kit also comes with a wrist camera mount. So you can put one of the cameras on the wrist and then you will be able to drive the robot first person view, which I'll show in a second. You also want to plug the Olis Connect IPC onto the local network and also make sure it has internet access. If the robot is not already on the local network, you can actually just pull a cable straight between the IPC and the robot, and that will work as well. So we support a variety of network configurations to do this, and it's all outlined in the user manual. The last piece that we have is the Olis console. This is the laptop that I will bring home or wherever I'm going, and that I will be able to use to control the robot through the secure VPN tunnel. So both the console and the Connect comes with secure and pre-installed, pre-configured VPN software. So you will always be able to have a secure tunnel when you're controlling your robot. So once you've mounted all this hardware, what you want to do is you want to pair the IPC to the robot controller. So you would do that by walking up to the teach pendant of the robot, and it should look something like this. If this looks dated to you, it might be because you're used to the E-series robots, which have a slightly newer and prettier interface. All the concepts are the same, so hopefully you can follow along. Basically, what you would do is you go to Setup Robot and then hit UR caps, and you would, if it's not already installed, you would install the Olis Teleop UR cap. It comes on the dongle that you can just plug into the teach pendant. And I pre-installed it here, but if it wasn't here, I would click on the plus sign here, and I would navigate to the Olis Teleop UR cap on the USB stick, and it would be installed. It would then want me to restart the robot controller, which is why I'm skipping that step now. Once you're done with that, you can just go back to the main menu, and you want to hit Program Robot and then Installation. And this is where you will be doing the pairing between the IPC and the controller. So you hit Olis Teleop down here, and the first tab is Olis Connect pairing. In this case, it's doing automatic detection on the local network, so it automatically found my Olis Connect. So I will just hit pair, and it should say connected and show the IP address that I'm connected to. And it also actually down here shows all the different IP addresses that this Olis Connect has. Because once you're on VPNs, one single IPC could actually have multiple IP addresses for different networks that it's on. So that will be important later when you want to control this robot from home using the VPN. If I have a tool, in this case, I have a Robotics 2F85. I can select that here. If I don't have either that or the handy, I simply select none. We actually support controlling the digital IOs from the console. So even if your tool is not in this list, you probably still can use it with the Olis Connect software. I also put in the orientation of my gripper as well as the spacing if I have any extra hardware mounted in between the robot end effector and the gripper. We don't have a 7th axis, so we won't go in and set that up. And it's a feature that's coming, so it's not already in there. So with that, we're actually done with the pairing, and we can actually hop over on our laptop. And now we would look at those IP addresses we saw in Polyscope, and we would simply select the same IP address here. And it's working once you see these video feeds popping up. So we got the overview feed, we got the marble pickup feed, and we got the wrist camera feed. And I'm going to go through in other videos how to embed teleoperation into your existing Polyscope programs. But for now, we just want to validate that everything works. So we can see we have a good ping because I'm very close to the robot. So I have a less than 5 milliseconds ping to the Olis Connect. And everything seems to be good. I can check the log, see what's going on. But just to quickly verify that it works, I'm going to hit manual teleoperation. And I'm going to pick up this gamepad and drive the robot around. So you can see now I can move around. I can inspect my marble run. And I can go and look at all the different components. And I can go look at the marbles, open and close the grippers. And yeah, so that was just a really quick video to show you how to get going with the Olis Connect, and I hope you liked it.